Student's Book, page 64. 2. Listen and check.
Ooh, animals of the world. Dolphins, whales, and sharks live in the ocean. Dolphins eat fish.
Yeah, and bears eat fish too. They eat everything. Fish, fruit, plants, meat. Look at this one. It's big and strong.
Yes, lions are strong too. They sleep a lot.
Here's a kangaroo. It eats leaves.
I like pandas. They're black and white, and they live in China.
Wow! These small brown bats sleep in the day and get their food at night. They're really quick. They can eat 100 insects in 5 minutes.
Oh, yuck! Here are Susie's favorite animals. These parrots are beautiful. They're red, yellow, green, blue.
And they talk a lot too, just like Susie.